Hey guys, and welcome to Best Reviews. We're giving you our honest take on the top products people are buying online. Today, we're looking at Instant Pots. Alright, so now let's go over some tips and tricks when using your Instant Pot. First, you need about a half a cup of liquid, and it can be any liquid, to get your Instant Pot to come to pressure. When looking at recipe cook times, they don't account for the time that it takes for the Instant Pot to come to pressure. So that's something to consider. You want to add about 10 to 20 minutes onto the recipe cook time. Now, for all the things that we love about the Instant Pot, there are a couple things that it doesn't do well. One thing is crispy food. So if you're making chicken or carnitas and you like that nice crispy skin exterior, you're not gonna find that working very well with the Instant Pot. It steams the food, so if you want that crispy outside, you're gonna wanna take the food out of the Instant Pot afterwards and put it in the oven. Another thing it doesn't do well is dairy. If your recipe calls for dairy, then you might wanna look at adding that towards the end. It may be a worthy investment for you to get a extra inner pot for your Instant Pot, because if you make a dish the night before and you have some leftovers sitting in the fridge but you want to use your Instant Pot the next day, well, if you have a second pot, then you can just plop that in and you're ready to cook. You can use sauté mode to bring your Instant Pot to temperature more quickly. So say you want to saute your veggies right away, that's a great way to get your Instant Pot to temperature, and that'll save you a couple minutes on cook time overall. We hope we've been able to provide you with some insight today on one of our favorite products here at Best Reviews, the Instant Pot. Thanks guys for visiting us. Be sure to check us out online at bestreviews.com and subscribe to our YouTube channel at youtube.com/bestreviews.